On our whole planet, there are about 200 million hectares of degraded soils. In fewer than 20 years, several areas in the Mediterranean region have doubled the amount of soil degraded by human activity. Among the main soil threats, we have erosion, the loss of organic matter, construction on rural soils, bad agricultural practice, and forest fires. The application of organic amendments is recommended for soil rehabilitation, such as in quarries or on roadside slopes. The organic amendments, like compost and others which come from waste such as sewage sludge, manure and plant remains, are applied to the soil in order to maintain or increase the organic matter content, which favours biological activity and biodiversity, improves the structure and the capacity for water and nutrient retention, and facilitates plant growth, thus preventing erosion and degradation. In the restoration of degraded areas, there is often a lack of sufficient quality soils. Therefore, mineral waste materials are mixed with organic amendments, creating new soils known as Technosols. Thanks to these Technosols, we can guarantee the revegetation of the degraded area. Healthy soils have many functions, like water purification, regulation of water and climate, or provision of food and raw materials. We need to protect and restore this valuable resource. Healthy soils, healthy planet.